Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write card for wishing Happy New Year to your friends or your near and dear ones. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. A new year is a fresh start on the calendar, full of hope and potential. In other words, it is the perfect time to connect with your loved ones. Whether you're planning to celebrate in person with your circle or you will be far away from one another when the ball drops, the right New Year cards can help you let the people who matter most to you know that you are thinking of them. While a simple Happy New Year might get the job done, there are plenty of more creative ways to send your Happy New Year wishes depending on who your recipient is. So let's start writing this unique and creative card. Start with a quote of your choice, or you may use this one as well. May the light of happiness glow all around. In the new year, may all your dreams be found. May the light of happiness glow all around. In the new year, may all your dreams be found. Then, to the left hand side corner in the next line, write dear and the name of your friend or somebody you are sending this card to. Next, wishing you a new year filled with endless joy, success, and peace. May this year bring new beginnings and fresh hope. May each of your days shine as bright as the sun. And every night be peaceful like the moonlight. May challenges fade away and your hard work take you to new heights. In this new year, may all your dreams come true. And may you find success and happiness at every step of your life. Sending you endless blessings for a prosperous year ahead. At last, write your name to the right hand side.